Everyone, welcome to my channel Rooftop Botanist. Today I am going to show you the difference between two plants that I have planted. This is the red spinach plant, as you can see from the bottom, which is very small. This is 57th day update, and as you can see, this small and this is big. This is the difference between a compost soil and a virgin soil that is never been used, and there is no fertilizer. I think this soil was left for 5 years without using any fertilizer or any special plant. There is grass and some, what do you say, weeds were actually growing from this plant, and they actually sucked out all the nutritious part. That's why this red spinach is actually small and stubby. And as you can see, this is organic soil, compost soil. As you can see, the growth is very big, the plants are large. These plants are actually large, and the problem as I'm facing is that these plants are generally grown in winter season, and today right now it is like summer to starting of summer, so there is a lot of heat in this weather, and as you can see, they are started to flower. That is the biggest problem that I am facing. I should have planted the plants a little bit earlier, like 1 to 2 months earlier. Then these plants would have the time to grow to its full potential. Right now they have started to flower, that's why there is no opportunity to fully grow, and that is the problem that I am facing. I should have planted it a little bit earlier, for 1 month earlier. The age of this plant and this plant red spinach one, the red one, is actually 57 days. That is actually 2 months. I think they need another 1 to 1.5 months to fully grow through the potential, and I failed in that. Maybe next season I will grow this a little bit earlier. Everybody learns from their mistake, and I am learning from the mistake. Okay, so if you like this video, you can leave a like. It will be very helpful for me, because this is a new channel, and if you want to see more growth updates, you can subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this one, previous ones, like this plant, this red spinach plant in some smaller sections, and previous growth updates, you can check out my channel's other videos. This is very helpful for me. Thank you, and you are welcome.